got a school bus that's chasing you down the road. For crews and making access, one of the things that we're doing is we're doing search and rescue activities as we're going to the interior of the bus. One of the things that we do as a part of our initial assessment is identify the area of the bus where we have the greatest opportunity for survivability. We want to assess that area and try and effect rescue if we have an opportunity to do so. And once we have the smoke dissipated, we'll have the group reoccupy bus 2. I don't know they want to go back.
Well, they'll have that. I'll do this one. They'll have that.
Yeah. Alright, I got enough photos. I got a photo of the very beginning. Nothing else. Dang it. I'll get the other one. Evacuated by the time that smoke was bad.
It was so bad that I think you would have had difficulty.
And one of the things when we look at how fire progresses, not only in a bus, but we look at residential structures or commercial structures. When we look at fires that we had 30 years ago, most of the materials that we had were natural materials.